Hi, in this video, Dick and I are going to show a West Coast swing move. It's a tuck throw out. We'll show it to you first. It's hard to do it and stay quiet. Okay, so Dick's going to explain it to you first.
Okay, from the beginning, this is how a lot of people start the dance. Left hand is down low. We do a triple step to the left and then to the right, triple step. When I go to the right, I raise it up to the dance center, triple step. It has no numbers. Now we start counting, rock back for 1, 2. I'm gonna bring the girl in for the tuck, 3 and step forward on 4.
Both of us.
Then out she goes.
5 and 6. Okay? Let's do it from the side here. They can see your footwork first.
Okay, here we go with this starter.
He rocks back. He gives me the tuck. We both go out on 4. Notice how we go synchronized 4. Then I'll go 5 and 6. And we'll do. Our thumb is upside down, so we do an underarm turn. I'll show my footwork right here. So I'm going to go triple step, triple step. I want you to notice his hand back here. He'll rock me back. 1, 2, 3, and watch what he's going to do on 4 here. He's going to take me 4. Then I'll take my hand out and I'll step forward 5 and 6. Okay?
And we usually do an underarm turn.
Okay, so let's do it backwards. This way.
Here we are.
Triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6. And the last thing I'm going to say is that when he does the tuck throw out, you can just triple step, 1, 2, 3, and 4. When I step on 5, I want to make sure I step forward 5 and then start to turn 5 and 6, so I'll end up in a third dance position.
Leaders, you're gonna go with her and then you stay put. 1, 2, 3, and we both go out. I anchor in place as she goes out, triple step. We always do an underarm turn, 3 and 4 to get the left hand correct.
So that was a tuck throw out, and that's what most people usually do on the dance floor. See you later. Bye-bye.